Welcome viewers to my channel. Today we will explore another challenge of cryptography. Let's click it. Today we will pick a easy problem like PostBase. Challenge name is PostBase. Challenge description, what says actually. We got these letters and numbers and don't understand them. Can you? Here given a ciphertext. Here something corrupted. And in the last we seeing that here is equal sign. That means the encoding system used here Base64. Let's try to decode in Base64. Get this. Base64 decode. Invalid input. This is giving an unusual output. It seems that we have to recover the corrupted letters. Let's make a script for this. And scripts. Okay, let's launch a new folder, new file called postbase.py nano postbase.py. First of all, I will import a library called Base64, then a string. Now make a character set, like character set is equal to string dot ASCII dot lowercase and string dot ASCII uppercase plus string dot digits. In Base64, generally plus and this backslash uses slash. Let's recover target. Copy this. Actually, we will replace the corrupted part by two letters, assuming from character set and decode recursively to see that it can actually decode the full string by replacing two letters from the character set. It is actually character set says that character set will like that small a. This ASCII lowercase will replace the string like small a to z. This part ASCII uppercase will replace the string like a to capital Z. digits will replace like 0 to 9, and another plus and slash will replace in this character set. We are taking our target. What is our target here? This is our target. Now let's propagate a loop in character set. Indentation is matter here in Python character set. We actually taking 2 letters from our character set string. Let's try. We're using here exception handling because Base64 decode can raise the exception. Decoded or decoded equal to base, taking a variable, string variable actually, Base64 dot, we are decoding, actually decode. What actually decode? We replace this R first, R plus, we're taking here A from character set and B for character set, 2 letters actually. We are replacing in corrupted position. In this corrupted position we are replacing these character set values which are taken from character set string and our then target, and decode any string UTF-8 format. Now see, actually in the CTF or capture the flag challenges, their flag actually contain like flags. Let's try the flag type string source in the decoded string. In decoded, if exist, then print like flag is decoded and exit. If this throw any exception, let's handle it. Sorry. Actually this will continue the loop. Let's save it and try to run Python postbase.py. Voila. We get the flag. Let's try to submit in the answer section. Oh, congratulations, correct submission. Thank you guys. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.